Home News. Naomi Hamilton has stops planned in Birmingham, Nottingham, Manchester and London, where she'll play the Islington on November 15th. Tickets are on sale at 10 a.m. on July 13th, the same day Hamilton releases her new EP, The Moths of What I Want Will Eat Me in My Sleep. The run will follow her previously confirmed headlining show at Dublin's Workmans Club on September 27th and a date supporting Suede at the Board GAI's Energy Theatre on October 14th. Jealous of the Birds' upcoming tour dates are as follows: Thursday, September 27, 2018 Dublin Workman's Club, Monday, November 12, 2018 Birmingham Sunflower Lounge, Tuesday, November 13, 2018 Nottingham Chameleon, Wednesday, November 14, 2018 Manchester Yes Basement, Thursday, November 15, 2018 London Islington. Click here to compare. See Jealous of the Birds tour dates. Between London and New York, Parker has made his name as one of hip-hop's most respected underground heads, renowned for his impeccable groove-based beats. She may have been mentioned by Rolling Stone magazine in the same breath as Stevie Nicks, and already had her music compared to Linda Ronstadt, Bobby Gentry and Jim Croce, but Kashina Sampson is capable of standing on her own 2 feet. Her debut album, Wild Heart, showcases a singer-songwriter whose artistic authenticity and integrity is increasingly rare in Nashville these days. Every now and then an album arrives from out of nowhere and instantly brightens up your day. Like rays of sunshine breaking through the clouds, Serengeti Drivers, the debut solo album from Collective Soul bassist Will Turpin, is quite simply an unexpected treat. Bursting to the brim with a melodious mix of pop, rock, Americana, funk, soul and AOR, it's the kind of record summer was invented for. Photo: Stella Gelardi. Malfilator. More haste, less speed. It's a lesson a lot of us learn the hard way, and one that has shaped Davey Newington's trajectory with his latest musical project, Boy Azooga. Photo: Manuel Gagno. A crow caws. There's the sound of crunching and snapping. I'm in a graveyard, says Manuel Gagno. But he isn't really in a graveyard. History tells us that writers love to write about writers, and writing, and cafes, and corner tables in dive bars, and coffee and whiskey, and notebooks and typewriters, and muses and boyfriends and girlfriends and crushes. Photo: Dalton Paley. The Get Up Kids show their age on their new EP, Kicker, with 4 tracks that pull inspiration from each moment in their history. On Kamasi Washington's second solo record, Heaven and Earth, the LA bandleader has called up an impressive team of players including Tony Austin, Ronald Bruner Jr., Brandon Coleman, Cameron Graves, Terrence Martin, Miles Mosley and Thundercat. The result is a distinguished double album of rich intensity that channels galactic fusion, sounds from 70s blaxploitation and sprawling jazz spirituals.